Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new budget mud truck video. In today's video, we'll be making custom long arms for the budget mud truck. Now, this is the third part of the Cheap Lift Revisited series, so if you haven't seen part 1 or 2, you should probably watch it to catch up a bit on what we've done so far. But since most of you are here probably just to see this specific video, really the only thing you've missed that directly affects the custom arms is that I jacked up the truck, put it on jack stands, and removed the stock control arms for the most part. Enough of that previous video though, let's talk about this video now. Long arm kits are expensive, and this is the budget mud truck, so I decided to make my own. The first thing I bought was some 2x2 1/4-inch square tube. You're probably wondering why square? Everybody else uses round, why didn't I use round? Well, let me reiterate, the budget mud truck. I don't know why square tube is cheaper, but it is. I ended up paying $221.39 for the square tubing. However, I only used half of it, so really what I ended up spending was $110. After that, I needed some heims, misalignments, threaded inserts for the square tubing, nuts, bolts, and brackets to mount the actual control arms. The heims I got from Red Barn Customs, and they are 1 by 1 1/4 inch, and it ended up costing me $371 after shipping, which was the most expensive part of this whole build. Everything else I ended up getting from places like Rough Stuff, Barnes, Far From Stock, and altogether those little bits and pieces were less than $100. If you really want an exact breakdown of the budget, I'm going to be making a video of the budget of this lift revisited, just so you guys can see exactly how much everything costs and where I got everything from. But I think that's enough talking for now. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll catch up with you at the end. saw, it went pretty smooth. Nothing really gave me too much issues. Honestly, what made this build so easy was being able to reuse the control arm mounts on the axle and being able to reuse the original lower control arm mount on the chassis as my new upper control arm mount. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.